Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to get a Windows 11 Pro license for just $3 or €3. Super quick and easy. First, let's check if Windows is activated. Right-click on this PC, go to Properties. Scroll down and click Product Key and Activation. As you can see, there's no license here. No worries. Let's fix that. Open Google and type Royal CD Keys. Head over to the website. Search for Windows 11 Pro. Add it to your cart and complete the purchase with any payment method you like. After you finish, grab your product key and let's activate Windows. Go back to Settings. Choose Change Product Key. Paste in the code. And boom, Windows 11 Pro is activated. And that's it, guys. Quick, simple, and super cheap. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.